初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Why is everything so hard today?
Why is everything so hard today?
为什么今天一切都这么难？
Why is everything so hard today?
Why is everything so hard today?
I swear nothing goes my way.
I swear nothing goes my way.
我发誓没有一件事顺心。
I swear nothing goes my way.
I swear nothing goes my way.
Can one thing just work right?
Can one thing just work right?
就不能有一件事正常运作吗？
Can one thing just work right?
Can one thing just work right?
I'm tired of fixing the same problem.
I'm tired of fixing the same problem.
我厌倦了解决同样的问题。
I'm tired of fixing the same problem.
I'm tired of fixing the same problem.
Why is Wi-Fi always like this?
Why is Wi-Fi always like this?
为什么 WiFi 总是这样？
Why is Wi-Fi always like this?
Why is Wi-Fi always like this?
My phone battery dies so fast.
My phone battery dies so fast.
我的手机电池耗电太快了。
My phone battery dies so fast.
My phone battery dies so fast.
I can't even find my other sock.
I can't even find my other sock.
我连另一只袜子都找不到。
I can't even find my other sock.
I can't even find my other sock.
Why is life like this sometimes?
Why is life like this sometimes?
为什么生活有时会这样？
Why is life like this sometimes?
Why is life like this sometimes?
I just cleaned, and it's messy again.
I just cleaned, and it's messy again.
我刚打扫完，又乱了。
I just cleaned, and it's messy again.
I just cleaned, and it's messy again.
My brain needs a restart button.
My brain needs a restart button.
我的大脑需要一个重启按钮。
My brain needs a restart button.
My brain needs a restart button.
Everything feels annoying today somehow.
Everything feels annoying today somehow.
不知怎的，今天一切都让人烦。
Everything feels annoying today somehow.
Everything feels annoying today somehow.
I just want a peaceful moment.
I just want a peaceful moment.
我只想要一个平静的时刻。
I just want a peaceful moment.
I just want a peaceful moment.
Why does my coffee taste weird?
Why does my coffee taste weird?
为什么我的咖啡味道怪怪的？
Why does my coffee taste weird?
Why does my coffee taste weird?
I dropped my food again, seriously?
I dropped my food again, seriously.
我又把食物掉地上了，认真的。
I dropped my food again, seriously?
I dropped my food again, seriously.
The line is always longest for me.
The line is always longest for me.
队伍总是排得最长的时候，轮到我。
The line is always longest for me.
The line is always longest for me.
My laptop's fan sounds like a plane.
My laptop's fan sounds like a plane.
我的笔记本电脑风扇声音像飞机。
My laptop's fan sounds like a plane.
My laptop's fan sounds like a plane.
Why is adulting so exhausting?
Why is adulting so exhausting?
为什么成年这么累人？
Why is adulting so exhausting?
Why is adulting so exhausting?
Bills just never stop coming in.
Bills just never stop coming in.
账单总是源源不断。
Bills just never stop coming in.
Bills just never stop coming in.
I washed my clothes and it rained.
I washed my clothes and it rained.
我洗了衣服，结果下雨了。
I washed my clothes and it rained.
I washed my clothes and it rained.
My plans never go as planned.
My plans never go as planned.
我的计划从未按计划进行。
My plans never go as planned.
My plans never go as planned.
I need a break from everything.
I need a break from everything.
我需要从一切中休息一下。
I need a break from everything.
I need a break from everything.
Why can't days have more hours?
Why can't days have more hours?
为什么一天不能有更多小时？
Why can't days have more hours?
Why can't days have more hours?
I just want one quiet weekend.
I just want one quiet weekend.
我只想要一个安静的周末。
I just want one quiet weekend.
I just want one quiet weekend.
Even my cat ignores me today.
Even my cat ignores me today.
连我的猫今天都不理我。
Even my cat ignores me today.
Even my cat ignores me today.
Every little thing feels frustrating now.
Every little thing feels frustrating now.
现在每件小事都让人沮丧。
Every little thing feels frustrating now.
Every little thing feels frustrating now.
My brain says no to everything.
My brain says no to everything.
我的大脑对一切都说不行。
My brain says no to everything.
My brain says no to everything.
Can I just pause life for once?
Can I just pause life for once?
我能暂停一下生活吗？
Can I just pause life for once?
Can I just pause life for once?
I'm done pretending I'm fine.
I'm done pretending I'm fine.
我受够了假装我没事。
I'm done pretending I'm fine.
I'm done pretending I'm fine.
Why is everyone so loud today?
Why is everyone so loud today?
为什么今天每个人都这么吵？
Why is everyone so loud today?
Why is everyone so loud today?
I can't find my charger again.
I can't find my charger again.
我又找不到我的充电器了。
I can't find my charger again.
I can't find my charger again.
I'm too tired to deal with anything.
I'm too tired to deal with anything.
我太累了，不想处理任何事情。
I'm too tired to deal with anything.
I'm too tired to deal with anything.
I wish I could just disappear today.
I wish I could just disappear today.
我希望今天能消失一下。
I wish I could just disappear today.
I wish I could just disappear today.
Maybe I just need a long nap.
Maybe I just need a long nap.
也许我只是需要睡个长觉。
Maybe I just need a long nap.
Maybe I just need a long nap.
Nothing works, and I'm over it.
Nothing works, and I'm over it.
什么都不管用，我受够了。
Nothing works, and I'm over it.
Nothing works, and I'm over it.
Why is life always this chaotic?
Why is life always this chaotic?
为什么生活总是这么混乱？
Why is life always this chaotic?
Why is life always this chaotic?
I need coffee, silence, and sleep.
I need coffee, silence, and sleep.
我需要咖啡、安静和睡眠。
I need coffee, silence, and sleep.
I need coffee, silence, and sleep.
I'm running out of patience fast.
I'm running out of patience fast.
我的耐心快耗尽了。
I'm running out of patience fast.
I'm running out of patience fast.
Tomorrow better be a good day.
Tomorrow better be a good day.
明天最好是个好日子。
Tomorrow better be a good day.
Tomorrow better be a good day.
I'll just laugh it off anyway.
I'll just laugh it off anyway.
反正我就一笑置之吧。
I'll just laugh it off anyway.
I'll just laugh it off anyway.
Okay, rant over. I feel better now.
Okay. Rant over. I feel better now.
好了，抱怨结束，我现在感觉好多了。
Okay, rant over. I feel better now.
Okay. Rant over. I feel better now.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。